All right, Joseph Q has arrived to the mother pit. And what are we doing here, Jacob?
Today,
check this out. Oh,
we're gonna be doing some pork on top of pork on top of pork. We're making us what's called a Cuban cigar.
All right. Yeah, it kind of looks like a Cuban, doesn't it? Yeah, I don't know, man, but it smells good already. All right.
I don't know about you, but I think I can smoke this better than that.
We'll see, man. We're gonna be smoking it today for sure.
Right, so this is, what, a couple pound tenderloin or what? No, that's about a little over a pound right there.
Yeah, it gotta be a little over a pound. Pork tenderloin here.
Yep.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a little slice, and then we're gonna slice again and flop it on over and
that's real
stuff
easy to
this
do.
thing here, right?
There we go.
Make sure you got a nice sharp knife.
Oh man, I'm already salivating. So some of you have seen this technique about layering and opening up. They do this for stuffing. If you're stuffing a loin or a tenderloin like this.
All right.
Look at that.
Come on over here to the other side.
I'll give you a good shot of that. Oh. Cool. Very cool. It's like art.
Just like that.
All right. Simple.
All right. Flatten her out a little bit there.
There you go. Perfect. Makes it easy to stuff. Now,
Key ingredient here, right?
got the yellow.
We're gonna be making a Cubano here, so let's
right.
get our mustard in here.
Mustard. Oh, your family and friends are gonna love this one. I'm telling you.
And
Spread it on good.
my favorite,
We got the pork privilege.
pork privilege here.
Yep.
All right.
So I guess you could say use your favorite seasoning, but no, try to get some pork privilege. This goes really well, obviously, on pork, and especially this recipe. All right, cool,
There you go.
beautiful.
All right. So next, we've got some Swiss.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Pretty Swiss.
Perfect, perfect.
Layer that right on up on there. And we're gonna take some ham. You want like a nice sweet ham or a black forest ham.
Got it. Yep.
Want that cured.
You can see Mama Nature's putting the sun on us really, really intense right here. This is the work of the big guy. Look at that.
Bingo.
All right.
Now, pickles.
Oh, we gotta have the pickles.
Gotta
The
have
sliced
the
pickles
pickles.
right there. Yeah, yeah. All right. Cool. Oop. There we go. Here comes a cloud. Now we can see this, huh? Whoa! Talk about stuffing.
Boom.
Yes.
All right. Now let's stuff this guy up. Try to give it a little turn here.
All right. Oh man.
Actually, I think we're gonna pop these like this. Be a little easier.
Oh man. Look at that. Perfect. McDonald's is going to want to do this one, man. You know, can you imagine them prepping this?
Right?
You know, you're waiting in the drive-up lane.
So we're gonna hit it with a little more of this mustard on the outside.
There we go.
Because who doesn't like a little more seasoning, right? Nice coating there.
Oh, yes.
And let's come back in with the pork privilege.
Never enough of pork privilege.
Bingo.
All right.
And now, we got to hold this thing together, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
The glue, the magic.
there we go. Barbecue duct tape right here.
Yep. Look at this. Fantastic. Oh, yeah.
This will give you that nice outside look you're looking for. Like it's a hand-rolled cigar.
Hence the Cuban. Now I can hear the bees swarming. Either that, it's our drone wanting to take a better look. And of course, many of you know bacon is an excellent choice for keeping things together, because bacon, as it cooks, constricts, pulls together, tightens up. But I don't have to tell you that. And that's what will happen in this case, as this bacon cooks on this tenderloin. So, all right. Wow. That's a beautiful thing.
Bingo.
There you go. Real easy to do. Now, next, I guess we'll be heading to the grill, right?
That's it. Let's go
That's
bring it
it.
right to the grill.
Okay. So I'll let you grab it. Maybe somebody else can. There we go.
Grab that lid.
Here we go.
Perfect.
There we
Head
go.
on over.
Beautiful. Yes.
Indirect.
Opposite
tighten
the
up.
opposite the hot coals. This way we control the heat the whole time, right? So we'll let the bacon slowly constrict around this loin. Oh my God. Lord help us. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. All right. Put the cover on and wait.
Bingo.
Looks great.
All right.
All right, let's see how this is going, man. It's got to be done. Oh, man. Take a look at that. Oh. This is a gift. This is a gift. Look at that glistening. All right. So, we're going to pull it off the grill. Look at that bacon tightly wrapped on it. Thank you, Jesus. Take a look at that. Perfection. Just the smell alone. There you go. You Cubano. Beautiful. So we'll let it rest for maybe 10 minutes?
Yeah,
15 or so?
absolutely. Yeah, and then we'll slice into this. We'll let all the insides kind of come together and
All right.
not leak all over the place.
Yeah. So in the meantime, we'll refresh with a cold one or whatever. All right, we've rested.
Right.
Now.
Ready? Get a nice cut. We're going to go right through the center just to take a look in here.
Definitely. Look at that. Let me get around this side here. There you go. Look at that. Look at that stuffing. Beautiful. Nice. The choir is quiet, as you can hear.
That cigar.
Look at that. That's how you roll a cigar.
Get closer, Martha.
That's how you do it. All right, gentlemen, camera guy is going to get out of the way here.
Yes, sir.
And you help yourself.
Don't touch right here. Don't touch something. Don't touch something. You gotta take some.
Only
Get some
$10 a
stills.
slice here. Cool.
So who's got the sandwich press?
Hold on one
Who's got the
second. Let me see
Exactly.
if I can grab a picture
Exactly.
here.
Now this is that. Some
Right.
people do the paleo thing, so we had to eliminate bread.
Yep.
Yeah.
Because you always have those.
Gotta have that. Oh, the
We'll get you
smell is
vertical and
Look at that first piece.
Uji.
Melting out of there. It's real good.
No, we're starting. All right.
All right, here we go.
Start picking. All right.
You ready?
Cool.
Cool.
All right. Look at this. This is what lunch is about. The Friday lunch at the pit. Oh yeah.
Oh, no.
Well done, man.
Oh.
Oh, I thought that was
Well done.
nice job.
Well done.
Mm.
This is great.
Mm-hmm.
Slices. Beautiful.
Wow.
Should have made two.
Should have made the other one.
Oh. All
So,
comes together. Oh.
so the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com. Oh, yeah.